In the world of home construction, log homes stand out for their beauty, durability, and the unique sense of warmth that they offer. Choosing the right manufacturer for your log home is crucial to achieving your dream living space. This video highlights the top 15 log home manufacturers in the USA, known for their exceptional craftsmanship and service. Whether you're looking for a cozy cabin or a luxurious log mansion, these companies offer a range of options to suit various tastes and budgets. Let's explore what each manufacturer has to offer. Number 1. Satterwhite Log Homes. Satterwhite Log Homes, based in Texas, USA, has been crafting log homes for over 50 years. Known for utilizing dead standing timber, they ensure sustainability and durability in every home they build. Their services range from providing log home kits to complete custom home constructions. Satterwhite offers a variety of floor plans and can tailor homes to client specifications, with price ranges varying widely to accommodate everything from modest budgets to luxury investments. Their reputation for quality and customer service makes them a leading choice for those seeking a traditional log home experience. Number 2. Whisper Creek Log Homes. Located in the Rocky Mountains of Montana, Whisper Creek Log Homes stands out for its innovative approach to log home construction. They offer a unique system that combines the aesthetics of traditional log homes with modern construction techniques, making their homes more accessible and affordable. Whisper Creek provides a wide range of pre-designed models as well as custom design services. Their homes are known for being energy efficient and having a lower environmental impact. Prices vary based on size and design, catering to a broad spectrum of homeowners, from budget-conscious to those seeking luxury. Number 3. Honest Abe Log Homes. Honest Abe Log Homes, situated in Tennessee, has been creating custom log homes since 1979. They are renowned for their commitment to quality, sustainability, and personalized service. Offering a variety of log home kits, floor plans, and custom design options, Honest Abe can accommodate various styles and budgets. Their homes are designed to blend seamlessly with their natural surroundings, providing comfort and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy efficiency and durability, Honest Abe ensures that each home is built to last. Prices range based on the complexity and size of the project. Number 4. Golden Eagle Log Homes. Golden Eagle Log Homes, based in Wisconsin, is a family-owned business with a history spanning over 5 decades. They specialize in luxury log homes and cabins that combine traditional log construction with modern amenities. Offering a comprehensive range of services from design to construction, Golden Eagle caters to clients looking for a bespoke log home experience. Their portfolio includes a vast array of designs, from rustic cabins to expansive estates, with price points that reflect the level of customization and luxury desired by the client. Number 5. Stonemill Log Homes. Stonemill Log Homes, operating out of Tennessee, offers handcrafted log homes built to withstand the test of time. Their emphasis on traditional milling techniques and custom design allows for a highly personalized home building experience. Stonemill's services include design, project management, and construction, ensuring a seamless process for clients. They offer both pre-designed plans and the flexibility to customize any aspect of the home. Price ranges vary, reflecting the custom nature of their work, with options suitable for both modest and expansive budgets. Number 6. Heartstone Homes. Heartstone Homes, with its roots in Tennessee, is known for its distinctive timber and log homes that embody craftsmanship and historical architecture. They provide a range of services, including custom design, material supply, and construction oversight. Hearthstone's commitment to quality materials and attention to detail is evident in their homes, which range from traditional log cabins to grand timber frame houses. Pricing is tailored to the scope of each project, with options for clients seeking everything from a simple getaway cabin to a luxurious custom-built residence. Number 7. Woodhaven Log and Lumber. Michigan-based Woodhaven Log and Lumber specializes in crafting high-quality log siding, paneling, and home kits. Their approach combines traditional aesthetics with modern precision, offering a variety of log profiles and finishes. Woodhaven focuses on providing materials for DIY builders and professional contractors alike, with services that include custom design and milling. Their products cater to a broad range of budgets and project sizes, making log home living accessible without compromising on quality. Number 8. True North Log Homes. True North Log Homes, headquartered in Ontario, Canada, stands out for its technological innovations in log home construction. Their patented systems ensure airtight, energy-efficient homes that require minimal maintenance. True North offers a range of models and custom design services, catering to clients seeking a balance between rustic charm and modern convenience. Their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is evident in their comprehensive warranties. Pricing varies based on the complexity and customization of the home, appealing to a wide audience from budget-conscious builders to those desiring luxury accommodations. Number 9. Blue Ridge Log Cabins. South Carolina's Blue Ridge Log Cabins revolutionizes log home construction with their modular approach. Offering a fast, efficient, and quality-controlled building process, they make owning a log home more accessible. Their cabins are pre-built in a controlled environment and assembled on-site, significantly reducing construction time. Blue Ridge provides a range of customizable models, ensuring that clients can find a home that fits their style and budget. Their innovative process and commitment to quality make them a popular choice for those looking for a straightforward and reliable path to owning a log home. Number 10. Sierra Log Homes. Sierra Log Homes, based in California, is recognized for its eco-friendly and custom-designed log homes. They focus on sustainable construction practices and energy efficiency, offering both pre-designed plans and the flexibility to create fully custom homes. Sierra's expertise in integrating modern architectural designs with traditional log construction allows for unique and personalized living spaces. Their pricing structure is designed to accommodate a variety of budgets, making sustainable log home living an achievable dream for many. Number 11. Katahdin Log Homes. Maine-based Katahdin Log Homes is committed to environmental stewardship, utilizing northern white cedar for its sustainability and durability. Their range of services includes custom design, manufacturing, and construction oversight. Katahdin's homes are designed to be energy efficient and aesthetically pleasing, with a focus on maximizing the natural attributes of log construction. Their pricing varies, offering options for those seeking both affordability and luxury. Katahdin's dedication to quality and the environment makes them a standout choice for eco-conscious homebuyers. Number 12. Appalachian Log Homes. Appalachian Log Homes, located in Tennessee, crafts homes that embody the spirit of the Appalachian region. Their emphasis on custom, handcrafted log homes ensures a unique and personal building experience. Offering a variety of plans and the ability to fully customize, Appalachian caters to a wide range of tastes and budgets. Their homes are known for their rustic charm and durability, designed to blend seamlessly with their natural surroundings. Appalachian Log Homes places a strong emphasis on sustainability, using renewable resources and energy-efficient designs. The price range varies, accommodating those looking for a cost-effective solution, as well as individuals seeking a more elaborate and customized log home. Number 13. Fairview Log Homes. Fairview Log Homes, an Ohio-based company, is renowned for its custom log home construction with over 30 years of experience. They are committed to personalized service, working closely with clients to design and build their dream homes. Fairview Log Homes offers a variety of log home packages, emphasizing quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. Their process includes everything from design consultation to the finishing touches of construction, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable home building experience. Their pricing reflects the custom nature of their work, with options for both budget-friendly and high-end custom log homes. Number 14. Wildwood Log Homes. Located in Michigan, Wildwood Log Homes brings a passion for the natural beauty and warmth of log living to every project. They specialize in custom log homes, offering design, construction, and project management services tailored to each client's specific desires. Wildwood's commitment to quality is evident in the meticulous selection of materials and the craftsmanship of their work. Their homes range from traditional log cabins to contemporary log structures, with pricing designed to meet a wide array of budget and design preferences. Wildwood Log Homes is dedicated to creating unique, enduring homes that reflect the individuality of their owners. Number 15. Strongwood Log Homes. Strongwood Log Homes, headquartered in Wisconsin, is at the forefront of log home manufacturing, providing a comprehensive range of services from design to construction. They pride themselves on offering eco-friendly log homes through sustainable practices and materials. Strongwood's portfolio includes a variety of designs from classic to modern, all customizable to meet the client's needs. Their approach combines the rustic appeal of log homes with contemporary efficiency and design. Prices vary, ensuring there's a solution for every budget, from affordable log home kits to fully customized luxury residences. These log home manufacturers around the world each bring something unique to the table, from sustainable building practices to innovative design technologies. Whether you're in the market for a cozy cabin retreat or a grand log estate, these companies offer a range of options to meet various tastes, preferences, and budgets. We encourage you to visit their websites and explore the possibilities they offer. Building a log home is not just about creating a living space, but about crafting a lifestyle close to nature, combining comfort, beauty, and sustainability. This guide serves as a starting point on your journey to finding the perfect log home manufacturer that aligns with your vision and values. Please subscribe to our channel, and happy home building!